All right, I want to talk to you about why do you choose to have a professional install your ceramic coating versus just doing it at home by yourself. Can you do ceramic coating at home by yourself? Absolutely. Anybody can do a ceramic coating at home. Anybody that tells you can't, they will just want you to spend money. You can absolutely buy a ceramic coating off of Amazon. There are some that are inexpensive and still work decently. But the reason you choose to have a professional install it is for a multitude of reasons. First of all, the professional level coatings versus the consumer grade coatings will generally last longer, but they will also be harder to apply. Now, they apply the same way typically, but we call it flashing, which is when the coating is ready to be buffed off. And some of the more professional grade, especially the longer lasting ones, might flash faster. And once it flashes and you wait too long, you usually cannot remove it without some sort of compound and polish and a machine polisher even. Some people claim that you need a wet sand. I haven't encountered that personally where you need a wet sand a coating off yet. But the margin for error on the professional coatings is lower than the margin of error on consumer coatings because they expect consumers to make mistakes. And some of these coatings, yeah, they can be applied outdoors. We showed you in another video. I put on a SB3 Solo 1-year coating outside, but it's really low humidity today. There's no sun. It's nice and cool. It's actually a really, perfect situation. In most situations, especially in people that are in climates that vary, you probably need a climate controlled shop or low humidity. An increased humidity will cause the coating to flash faster. A hot weather will potentially cause it to flash faster. And again, these are semi-permanent mistakes. They're not completely permanent. You don't need to repaint your car. But now you talk about, okay, I made a mistake. How do I fix that mistake? Well, you fix it with polishers and products that are way too expensive for somebody who's only doing this occasionally to invest in. Also, that's just applying the coating. Another reason that you have a professional grade coating installed is, of course, knowledge and experience and doing different cars, and we're more efficient, so you're not spending that time, you're not spending all weekend. But we also prep the car differently. We have a multitude of polishers. They're all high-end polishers. We use high-grade professional compounds and polishes to prepare the paint. We use solvent compared to just an alcohol wipe. We use specific panel prep after the compound and polish to prepare for the ceramic coating. We have the perfect towels that are meant, and again, you can buy good towels on Amazon too, but we have all that stuff. And so while it does seem like a high price, when you factor in everything that goes into it, the time, the machines, the lack of margin for error, it's oftentimes best handled by a professional, and we would love to earn your business and be that professional that installs ceramic coating for you.